Hello, my name is Rain, and if you hear some noise, argue with my brothers. I'm just here to show you about my light that I use. Hey, first off, I have my interdimensional matter transporter. Next, I have absorption shield. Next, I have my spread divinity. And I have my pot of bleed. All star spells. Next, finally, a monster named What Giraffe. I have a lot of what's here. I have lightweight gear Fred, Batteryman Maker Cell, Effect Viler, Spirit Converter, Air Knight for a shot, Blade Knight, Thunder Seahorse, Syshunder, Violent Prism, Light Ray Diablos, What Cobra, Thunder King Ryo, Raigeki Breaker, Compulsory Evacuation Device, Watt P-Sand, Light Ray Daedalus, Effect Viler, Honest, Light Ray Sorcerer, Recycling Batteries, Light Ray Grepher, Tualatin, Photon Thrasher, Starlight Road. I'm having a Search Dragon. Once I have, but it got lost. And Marshmallow. Sorry, it's just my Philippine style. I live in Philippines. Solemn Warning. Passenger. DD Warrior Lady. Air Knight for a shot. Blade Knight. Forbidden Lands. Batteryman AAA. Mahunder. And last but not least, my Magic Cylinder. That's for my deck. Now I'll show you my expert deck. Mostly I've only have one synchro. I better take my other synchros. But I normally use Dark Synchros. So the only synchro I have is Crimson Blader. He's my only fire type here in this deck. And my number 69 Heraldry God Coat of Arms. Next is my Violent Sigma. Next is number 91 Thunder Spark Dragon. My number 39 Utopia. Radiant Photon Paradios. And my ace card, One-Eyed Skill Gainer. In truth, this is the starter deck for life. Some of the cards here are just bought from my friend. But if you enjoyed the video,